Hey guys, Ooh, just a quick video for you. I actually do Slim World. Ooh, ow, that's hot. And this is what I have most mornings for my breakfast. It's basically, this is, you can't see it, a 1/3 cup measure, and I put 2 of these in, and then boil the kettle and put 3 of them in, and then I add Miller Lite, and yes, it is the mint one. It's really nice. Obviously, like, mix it all together just like that, and then put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. And when it comes out, I just put loads of this in. It's basically just add loads. I know this looks like I'm not gonna put loads of like all of this in, obviously. And a bit more. There you go. And then, sorry, I've got a croaky throat. That's basically it. And you can either obviously mixed in or whatever. It looks like there's loads there and there's, but I'll share it with my little girl. So I thought I would just share that recipe with you. It's not much of a recipe really, but keeps me going till dinner time anyway. Bye.